Hello everyone, hello my friends, how are you? I hope you're fine. Welcome again to my channel, Learning English with Malak. In this video, we will learn other ways to say the verb I want. So this video will give you all the alternatives of the verb I want. Don't forget to take with you a pen and a notebook to write all these alternatives of the verb I want, or just keep it in mind. So after we start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and share it with your friends and members of family. And don't forget also other comment to encourage me to do other new videos. So now, let's begin. The first way to say I want is I'm craving. Then I add what I want because I'm craving is the same as I want. For example, I'm craving a juicy burger with all the fixings. I'm craving a refreshing tropical smoothie on this hot day. I'm craving a warm bowl of homemade soup. I'm craving a slice of creamy cheesecake for dessert. Clear? The second way to say I want is I'm in the mood for. Then I add what I want, what I'm in the mood for. Okay, for example, I'm in the mood for some spicy Mexican cuisine tonight. I'm in the mood for a leisurely stroll in the park. I'm in the mood for a cozy movie night with popcorn and my favorite films. Clear? Are you already write all these alternatives of the verb I want in your notebook? Good, you are so smart. The third way to say I want is I feel like. I think that this expression is used and probably almost all students use it. But we must learn it just for students that doesn't know it or beginners, so he must write this way. For example, I feel like treating myself to a decadent dessert after dinner. I feel like exploring a new hobby to broaden my horizons. And the last example is I feel like reading a good book curled up on the couch. And this way to say I want is a really fancy. And also this expression I probably hear it a lot, but no problem. For example, I really fancy a hot cup of tea to warm me up. I really fancy a hot cup of tea to warm me up. The second example is I really fancy going for a walk in the countryside to enjoy nature, to enjoy forest, to enjoy air, to enjoy water. Because in the countryside there are many things that are also so beautiful than the cities. And last example is I really fancy watching a romantic comedy tonight. Clear? And also this way, it's I could really do with. Also this way, it's expressing the verb I want. Then I add what I wanted. After I write I could really do with. For example, I could really do with a hot cup of coffee to make me up. And second example is I could really do with some extra time to finish this project. And the third example is I could really do with a healthy meal to nourish my body. Clear? And also this one, I'd kill for. So in this lesson, we will practice vocabulary and we'll already practice pronunciation. So repeat with me these expressions for if you are talking with someone and you must say these expressions, you must know how they're pronounced. Okay? I'd kill for. Then I add something that I wanted. For example, I'd kill for a slice of pizza right now. I'd kill for a slice of pizza right now. The second example is I'd kill for a vacation to a tropical island. And the last one is I'd kill for a cold glass of water on this hot day. And in the real, there is any hot day. It's winter, how all the world know it. Okay? This one also, I'm dying for. Then I add what I want. For example, I'm looking for a piece of chocolate cake right now. Not right now. Now I want something so sweet or a juice. The second example is I'm looking for a hot cup of cocoa on this chilly evening. And the last one is I'm diving for a chance to see my favorite band perform live. Clear? Now we'll move a last alternative of the verb I want or the word I want. And I prefer I say the verb I want. Because there is a verb. So say I want, you want, he wants, you want, it want, we want, you want, they want. It's a verb. For example, I'm up for trying the new restaurant downtown. I'm up for a game of basketball this afternoon. I'm up for learning a new skill, like cooking or painting, or writing or reading, like that. So this is the end of the class. Thank you so much for your patience to watch this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn notifications, like this video, and share it with your friends and members of family. I'm waiting for you, my sweeties. Goodbye. See you next time in next video.